take shelter now. Repeat, take shelter now. This is a civil danger warning for the entire state of Oklahoma. At this time, all residents in the state of Oklahoma, no matter where you are, stop what you are doing and take shelter immediately. At least 30 large and destructive tornadoes are currently ongoing throughout the state of Oklahoma. These tornadoes have caused immense destruction and are continuing to cause destruction the likes of which we have never seen across the state. All residents should be underground in case these tornadoes approach your area. No above-ground shelter is safe from these tornadoes. The cities of Moore, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Idabel, and many others have already been ravaged to the ground from these tornadoes. Repeat, take shelter now.